This is a government property.
This is a what? This is a what? It's a public building.
No, this is the court.
Yes, which is a public building. And this is public photography, which isn't a crime.
This is crime.
No, it's not a crime.
You are attempting crime.
I'm doing a crime. All right, so you better call the police here so that they can deal with this crime.
Over.
So this is a crime, is it?
This is crime.
Fuck off.
Well, it's not, but I'm holding a camera. It's not a gun.
Yeah, you can't, though, can you? You're scaring them, mate. Come on.
What do you mean, come on?
Grow up. No, leave it.
Come away from it.
You're scaring the two coppers.
I'm not trying to scare anyone.
Well, why are you copping them? They're not doing no wrong.
What begins as an ordinary filming session outside a magistrate's court quickly turns into a tense confrontation when court staff challenge the auditor's presence and demand that the camera be switched off. Instead of reacting emotionally, the auditor remains calm and focused, repeatedly asking a simple question: what law is actually being broken? As pressure builds and more officials become involved, the encounter transforms from a routine filming exercise into a revealing test of authority, accountability, and public rights. The stage is set for a clash between assumption and legal reality, and the auditor is prepared for every step of it.
It's a public building, it's my right. Where does it say that, sir? Where does it say that? So you've got cameras in here filming everything, so why can't I film?
Just fast, please.
I can't switch off the camera, sir. It's my right to film in public, sir. Now, may I please enter?
No, just wait, please.
Wait for what, sir?
Just wait,
Wait for what?
I tell you what you need to do.
Okay, tell me.
Just wait.
Please tell me.
Switch off first, yes.
I'm not switching off the camera, mate.
If there's any police officers in the building, could they come to reception, please? Thank you.
Now, may I please enter, as it's my right to enter?
Please, just wait. Wait, we sort out your problem.
Okay, thank you.
Switch off, can you switch off?
I'm not switching off the camera. Public photography isn't a crime, sir.
Yeah, just wait.
Okay, just wait. I mean, I'm going to tell the police the same thing. It's not a problem. He's not allowing me to enter the building. I don't understand. It's a public building. It's a magistrate's court, and he's saying that I'm not allowed to enter. It doesn't say anything here about filming. May I not enter that? Why can I not enter? Is it not a public building? Is there not public access?
Turn off your camera, yeah?
Why do I need to turn off my camera?
The video is not allowed in a court.
Well, don't raise your voice. Settle down a little bit. Why do I need to turn off my camera?
Could you please switch on?
Mate, I'm not turning the camera off. Don't stop asking me to turn the camera off.
Because this is a government property.
This is a what? This is a what? It's a public building.
No, this is the court.
Yes, which is a public building. And this is public photography, which isn't a crime.
This is crime.
No, it's not a crime.
You are attempting crime.
The atmosphere changes the moment court security abandons explanation and turns to confrontation. Repeated demands to stop filming are backed by blocked access, raised voices, and increasingly hostile behavior, yet the auditor refuses to be drawn into the emotion of the moment. Instead, he calmly repeats that filming from a public area is not a criminal offense. As frustration grows, the security staff begin relying on personal attacks rather than clear reasoning. What started as an attempt to enforce authority now looks more like a struggle to justify it, and the camera captures every uncomfortable second.
I'm not trying to scare anyone.
Leave the building when we come out with you.
Do I need to why do I need to leave the building?
Because they have asked you to leave, and you're not here for a reason.
But for what reason? Is this not a public building? There's public access to the building.
You've not got a reason to come here. They don't want you.
I don't need to have a reason. It's a public building.
Would you be able to come out?
We're on public property.
Well, can you come out with us?
I'm sorry, but I can't. Yeah, that's in the hearing rooms, isn't it? What does it say there, mate? Into the hearing room. It doesn't say anything about a building. Show me where it says something about a building.
Would you be able to come out with us?
I can't come out anywhere, sorry. I'm exercising my right to film.
Right,
listen, I'm not trying to scare anyone. I don't appreciate them saying that I'm trying to scare anyone. If you feel as though you're being scared, then let me know. Because that's not my intention to scare anybody. I'm not harassing anyone. Like, if that was the case, I would expect you to tell me. But I would like to enter this public building and exercise my right to film in public.
Just wait by at the moment, yeah.
Okay, sure. So you're refusing me access to the building?
At the moment, we refuse my
Okay, at the moment, yeah? Alright, sure. I mean, there's solicitors here. If you want to ask for their advice, I'm sure they will give you... they'd give you the appropriate advice. Because you showed me some rules there, and it says in the hearing room. So
You are not listening us, but
I'm listening to you loud and clear, sir.
Us. That's why you're not allowed at the moment.
all right, sure.
Yeah.
And listen, you need to control the people that's here. Like this woman hurling abuse at me. You should be more concerned about her than me. Do you understand?
Because you are
She put me in immediate danger. Mate, she put me in immediate danger. She come up to my face and you just let her do it.
No, because you are not listening us. If you listen,
Mate, there's nothing to listen to. I haven't committed a crime. Why do you think I'm still standing here?
Complain to the police as well.
Just stay outside, please, yeah.
The encounter takes another turn when staff begin treating lawful access as though it requires permission. The questions about why the auditor is there replace any discussion of actual rules, and officials attempt to move him away without providing a clear legal basis. Rather than arguing, the auditor calmly asks where the requirement exists in writing. With every unanswered question, confidence gives way to uncertainty. The more officials rely on personal preference instead of policy, the more obvious it becomes that the foundation of their authority is beginning to crack under scrutiny.
So you're not going to tell me your name?
What?
You're not going to tell me your name? Because I'm not switching the camera off, mate. Chill out, man. No one's switching the camera off. Hello, officers. Yeah, I'm alright. How are you?
I'm good,
Just keep the distance, yeah?
It's alright.
Cool.
So
what can I do for you?
Well, you're here causing a bit of a nuisance, aren't you?
I'm not causing a nuisance. I'm exercising my right to film in public.
Yeah?
That's subjective. If you feel like I'm doing a nuisance, that's an opinion, isn't it? Excuse me?
You're not allowed to film in the courts, though, are you?
Of course I am.
No.
Of course I am. Alright, show me where it says I can't film here. But if you show me that I can't film in this building, then I'll happily leave and stop filming straight away. I'm not here to commit crimes. Okay, if we say, yeah, here we are. What does that say up there? In the hearing rooms. Is this a hearing room? No, this is a public building, sir. This is a public building, sir.
Well, they're not letting you in, so why are you standing outside here still?
What do you mean, why am I standing outside here?
You're not in court, so
But this is a public building, mate.
Reason to be here.
Of course I've got a reason to be here.
Well, are you seeing?
Because I'm in public. Do I go up to members of the public saying you haven't got a reason to be here?
Why do you have to be in court? Do you have to do anything in court?
Yeah.
What do you need to do?
Matters of public interest.
What would that entail?
Excuse me?
You can attend court.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can. But you're not allowed.
When police officers arrive, the situation escalates further. They repeat claims that filming is prohibited and describe the auditor's actions as a nuisance, yet struggle to identify the specific rule being violated. The auditor remains composed, carefully distinguishing between restricted courtrooms and publicly accessible areas. By focusing on facts rather than emotion, he forces the conversation toward legal specifics. As the officers search for justification, their position becomes increasingly difficult to defend, revealing how quickly vague claims can unravel when challenged with calm, informed questions.
Crime's been committed, so no one likes a criminal, you know what I mean?
It's not a matter of crime, you're just very scared.
Okay, if it's not a matter of crime, then why are you here?
Because you're scaring everyone. You've got a phone out, walking
I've
around
got a
the police
phone out.
station.
Okay, you've
and
just said it
inside
yourself.
the
It's not a
court.
gun, is it? It's a phone.
It's not a gun. It's not anything.
An offence has just been committed, just then, a public order offence, but no one's interested in discussing that. Oh, I'm listening to you.
Talk first, and then you can talk.
Certainly,
back, okay, like
certainly.
a social conversation, yeah.
Absolutely.
All right. You're going around.
That's what I said.
You're going around in a police station.
Yeah.
You're going inside a courtroom
Yeah.
with your phone, filming, causing
Yeah.
people to feel a bit odd and to feel a bit worried. And you're not giving any explanation, and you're being very confrontational.
I don't need to give a. I'm not being confrontational, mate.
Yes, you are.
Of course I'm not. I don't need to give a reason.
But why are you behaving this way?
I'm not behaving in any way. It's my right to film in public.
It's telling you that we don't want you to film inside a courtroom. Why do you have to continue to do that?
Because it's my
It's
right
not-
to do it.
Yeah, I understand that it's your right.
So
to do
where's the issue here? What are we disagreeing on? I don't understand.
Look at that. There are 4 people, four adults. that
It's
are
their
feeling-
choice. If they're getting offended, that's their choice.
It's not a matter of offence.
If it's not a matter of offence, then why are we here, officer, please? Can I ask you to identify yourself, please?
My name is PC Principe.
Okay.
Colour number is right here.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Can I ask you to identify
No.
yourself? Okay, why not? Isn't there any reason why you don't
I'm
want
not
to?
obliged to.
I'm not saying that you're obliged to. Why are you
Okay,
trying to put
then-
words in my mouth?
I'm not, but
That's
you're
why
asking
I mean when
me.
you say that you're being confrontational.
Buddy.
You keep being confrontational.
You asked why I'm not identifying myself, and I
didn't
said
ask
it's
you
not my
why you
obligation
haven't.
to
Look
identify
back
yourself.
on your video and listen back what I
Buddy,
asked you.
you asked. Listen. You asked me a question. I answered the question, and then then you're having a problem with it. You're having a problem with the answer. Sorry, it's not the answer you want, but...
Never said that it's not the answer I want.
Alright, mate.
I asked
Listen,
you.
Most revealing moment arrives when an officer openly admits that no crime is being investigated. Instead of ending the interaction, the conversation shifts toward suspicion, discomfort, and demands for an explanation. The auditor responds with the same question he has asked throughout the encounter. What offense has actually occurred? That single question exposes the weakness in the entire narrative. As officers attempt to regain control through labels and assumptions, the auditor's calm persistence highlights a crucial principle. Lawful activity does not require permission or justification. The longer the discussion continues, the clearer it becomes who is relying on facts and who is relying on pressure.